All right, we've got a particle's path, and we've got this third variable, a parameter t, and they give us dy dt and ask for dx dt. Well, we don't know yet how x and y are related to t, but we know what dy dt and dx dt are equal to, and we know that dy dx is equal to dy dt over dx dt. So we can find dy dx using the given function. So using the product rule, this is dy dx, and that's equal to dy dt over dx dt. Find dx dt. And this question is about when the particle is at 3 sine of 3. So we know that the x value is 3. We'll substitute 3 in for x. All right, so dx dt, when we solve this algebraically, is equal to negative 2 divided by sine of 3 plus 3 cosine of 3. And this is approximately equal to 0.707, which, alas, is choice C. That's how we would do number 32.